Liam and Lara and Luna, we're all so pleased today that you've found each other. When two people get married, we talk about them tying the knot like climbers on the one rope. And we all know that the rope is not made of unbreakable material. It needs to be renewed and it needs to be strengthened. Keep a sense of humour. Continue to walk with each other hand in hand. Khalil Gibran wrote the words, "Let the winds of heaven dance between you. And when you have reached the mountain top, then you shall begin to climb. May you both continue climbing together, hand in hand."